Ciiko cia gukua ugitiri kaunti-ini ya Nakuru ikoretwo ikiongerereka na gikiro kinene kwa ihinda ria thiku 10 hituku, kuria EKINAI methaite na MICINGA marahithukiria ahuri a biacara na kumaratha. Gukinyaniria na riu andu 5 nio makuite kumana na tharikira ici, undu uria utigite aikari kaunti-ini ino na hahu nene egie ugitiri wao.
We have been having a series of serious crime. These are robbery with violence. Robbery with violence is where people use firearms and then they are terrorizing people and killing them. A number of our members of the public, and especially the vendors for M-Pesa, were killed, about 4 of them.
Giko geisha ikuhe ni huwai wa ira kuria Abithaa umwe wa borithi ararathirwo na gucoka gukua akirigitwo thibitari-ini umwe kaunti-ini ya Nakuru hindi ria marari na aru nake BIRIGICENI-ini ya GWETHANA na EKINAI itura-ini ria FREEHOLD.
And out of the shootout at around 8:30, we were able to track the entire night the systems of these fellows, and we were able to arrest 4 persons who are in the police custody here with this firearm. This firearm was found in Bondeni, in a place hidden where they could keep the firearm, in a place near a Kalonjing there. And there was somebody with a kiosk who used to sell something, and then when the firearm is needed, she could just pick it, give to them, and they could do what they wanted to do.
Hindi ya BIRIGICENI iria ratafanirwo huwai wa ira, maabithaa borithi ni marahithukirie MUCINGA muthemba wa AK-47 na gwikia ngono ekuirwo ana aria ni hamwe na raia a bururi wa Tanzania, mundu urarikitie kioho giake oro hamwe na mutumia uria kurekwirwo niwe uraigaga MUCINGA uyu.
We are still pursuing some other leads so that at the end of the day we may be able to get the others that have been working with these criminals. So that is it, and I think moving forward, that kind of wave of crime will not be seen here in Nakuru.
Akiaria na andiki ya mohoro County Commissioner wa Nakuru Kibara augite gukinyaniria riu ekwirwo 7 nio marikitie gwikio ngono na matikuhuruka nginyagia ugitiri ucokerere kaunti-ini ya Nakuru.
Uhaguku wa ugitiri kaunti-ini ya Nakuru gathi na mbe na ukorwo gitiga muingi wa mwena uyu na wagagu makiria kiuria kinene ni ati hihi nuyu wina urume uyu wa gukorwo akiratha maabithaa borithi na muingi wa kaunti ino. Ngiribotera ceceni ya Kameme TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, njitagwo Wanjeri wa Kariuki.